Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 486, minimum prefix removal to make array strictly increasing. So this problem is actually very easy. I'm not going to say it is of medium level. It will not take much time. So in this problem you are given an integer array nums. You need to remove exactly one prefix, possibly empty, from nums. Return an integer denoting the minimum length of the removed prefix such that the remaining array is strictly increasing. A prefix of an array is subarray that starts from the beginning of the array and extends to any point within it. And an array is said to be strictly increasing if each element is strictly greater than its previous one, if exists. So here if you see these examples, it is very much clear from examples only what you need to do. So see here, 3, then we have 4, then 5. So all these elements are in strictly increasing order. But here 3, this 3 is equal to this 3. So this is not strictly increasing. Strictly increasing means if each element is strictly greater than its previous element, not equal to or less than. So here this is valid, right? So from here just end it. This is the prefix we need to remove, and length of this one is 4. And if I just give the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so you are ending it here. Clear? Now see this, minus 5, minus 2 is bigger than minus 5, so it's not strictly increasing if I start from minus 2, so I have to end it here only. So if I just give the index 0, 1, 2, 3, right, because minus 5 is smaller than minus 2 is bigger than, right, we need strictly increasing, so we have to end it here. We have to just take one element, and this complete prefix we need to remove. So we have to, what is the length of this? 3, that's it. Same way here, if you see example number 3, so 4, then 3 is smaller than 4, 2 is smaller than 3, 1 is smaller than 2. So that's it, we are not stopping anywhere, right? So in this case just simply return 0. The array nums 1, 2, 3, 4 is already strictly increasing, so removing any empty prefix is sufficient. Removing an empty prefix is sufficient, that's it. So here these are the constraints. So here see, we are not removing anything anywhere, right? But here in this case we are removing, we are just do the back scan, check from here, then see if this element is less than this, okay, then check if this element is less than this, okay, then when you are going to reach here, check if this element is less than this. So no, so in this case your I is here, so just return your output as I plus 1, that's it. So I is at 3, so 3 plus 1 is going to be 4, because we are starting from 0, right? So just return I plus 1. Here same way, this is the first element, and it is given in the constant that nums dot length is always starting from 1, okay, 1 will be the at least length, then it can be up to 10 to 5, so one element will be there always, that's what I'm saying here. Same way here, this, then you are going to compare this with this. So if minus 2 is less than minus 5, no, so you have to stop. So here at this you stop, so I plus 1 you have to return, so 2 plus 1 3, that's it. Here you didn't stop anywhere, here you didn't stop anywhere, so in the end just return 0. So that's what we need to do. See this code, int n is equal to nums dot length, the last element of array, a single element is always strictly increasing, so I'm taking the last element, then I'm traversing from right to left. I is equal to n minus 2, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. So if a current element is not strictly smaller than the next one, the suffix starting at I is not strictly increasing. So nums of I, if it is greater than equal to next element, then we must remove prefix from 0 to I, so I am returning I plus 1. Otherwise update the expected next element for the strict increase. So next element is equal to nums of I. So first we are comparing with this, then after when I'm reaching here, then I'm comparing this with this. So that is why next element is equal to nums of I I'm doing. And entire array is already strictly increasing, so that in that case you have to return 0, otherwise you have to return I plus 1. So that's it. So this is your solutions, and it will take off and as time complexity. So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 1 of weekly contest 486. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.